Welcome everybody. This is night 6 of 12 days of Beastmode Camping Christmas.
On the first day of Christmas, we had holiday flames.
Holiday flames.
They turn red and green and sometimes blue.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and put one in here.
Put another one in there.
And
those are awesome. Me likey.
On day 2, cheers.
Oh yeah, that's right.
We had
This is the
Alabama Slammer.
I like it, but this was the Alabama whiskey cider.
The Alabama Whiskey Cider.
Right. Good stuff.
Yeah, great stuff. And on day 3, we had, and let's go ahead and do one, and then we'll go through day 4 and 5.
Okay.
On day 3, we had the Fireside Chats.
Fireside Chats.
6 of clubs. I got the 5 of clubs.
All right.
Oh, we probably should have shuffled them.
And I love the fact that they're playing cards, so you could actually play any card game with these. All right, Tony,
Yes,
would
sir.
you rather retire now with a fixed
Yes.
annual...
Yes.
Okay, would you rather
Yes.
retire now with a fixed annual income of $75,000 forever or maintain your current plan?
I think I'd choose that one, to be honest.
And just give up on life and just have $75,000 for the rest of your life?
Well, to not have to work, but to do what I love, camping, making videos, doing all this.
Well, because that's your current plan. So I guess you
But
could
it
have
doesn't-
both.
But it doesn't feel like work.
Right. So I guess
Even
you
though
could,
we're putting a lot of time and energy.
if
into
you
this.
did that though, you could have both.
Yeah,
Because if you got your fixed annual $75,000,
I can make that work.
you can make that work.
Absolutely.
And then you could just keep doing what you want.
Yeah.
I agree. That's probably right. Here, take your card. All right, what's mine?
Do you have a strange ability to predict things?
Sometimes I feel like I do.
Give an example.
It's hard to come up with an example, but sometimes I feel like, especially with family members and stuff, like if something happens to them, I kind of get a feeling and we'll give them a call or something like that, you know? And my mom has had the same thing with me before. Like something's happened and she's just kind
And
of,
something did happen,
yeah,
and all of a sudden you get a phone call from her?
yeah.
Huh.
That's happened. I mean, it's happened both ways. And I can't think of a real specific, yeah, they're burning, oh yeah. That's
Cool.
wild looking, yeah. But you know what I mean? Almost like the Spidey sense kind of
Yeah.
thing.
I don't put a lot of thought into that.
But it happens, and it's call it coincidence, but
Yeah.
it's kind of weird.
All right, day 4. We had the
It was
walkie-talkies.
the walkie-talkies. Day 4 was
Or day
walkie-talkies.
4.
Yeah, where are the
We're
walkie-talkies?
gonna have to, in fact,
I got one right here. But anyway, here's the little walkie-talkies, so that we can communicate at night from tent to tent, even though we're only 20 feet away.
yeah.
Yeah. Still fun. Make you feel like you're back in 3rd grade or something, you know?
Yeah, because we need supervision. out
Right.
there.
Yeah, we need
Pretty
supervision.
soon Data's gonna be coming out here going, where are you guys?
Yeah, where are you? Like, I'm in the poop tent.
All right, so
Yeah.
that was day
4.
4.
Yes, and then on day 5, we had a trip to the emergency room.
All right, yeah, for you guys that haven't seen that video, definitely go back and watch that. Dana got us a game called Truth or Dab,
Yeah,
but the dab is hot sauce.
the hot sauce.
Read some cards, tell the truth. Read some cards, take a dab if you don't want to tell the truth. One of them was like, "Dude, tell the last time you pooped your pants."
Right, yeah, weird, embarrassing questions.
Yeah, so we both took a dab, and I spent about 30 minutes over there in the water, drinking
Yeah.
a glass of milk, eating bread. Steve was fine after about a minute or two.
I am a hot sauce connoisseur, and I've had some of the hottest stuff out there, and that, I tell you, burned me pretty good. It was good. That's a
Still
nice
feeling
burn on that one. For about good 15, 20 minutes, it
I'm
burned.
hoping I'm not back in the poop shack later.
Oh, you will be.
All right, so was that 5?
That was 5.
All right,
So today is 6.
today,
Say this.
tonight is
Tonight.
6. I've already looked. Here's 6.
6. Woo.
You want to shake? Give a shake? Give a guess?
These
Who
don't
shakes
shake
like-
well at all.
Who shakes like that?
What? These don't shake very well at all.
Steve's over
Shake,
here
shake,
shaking
shake.
like this. All right. You want me to open this one?
Do it.
All right. I'm thinking it's a goldfish.
A goldfish? Really?
It's my intuition.
I didn't bring my fishing pole.
We probably should have saved all these and like hung them up or something.
Too late now.
Man.
We're halfway through the thing.
I'm gonna be kind of bummed when this is over.
I know.
She's got some good stuff for us. And she did have very specific instructions.
That's right.
Do not open them until the day.
Until the night of.
Camping lantern. We need one because
Oh, cool.
while we've got this is really well lit right now, it's got
Right,
studio lighting.
Yeah, normally it's dark out here. And you need a little extra light when you're making your drink, you know? You don't want to over pour or anything.
We constantly
Need more
need
light.
extra
yeah,
light out
yeah.
here.
That's cool. Is it
Look at
like
the size
a,
of this guy.
is it, here, let me see. Does it take the regular batteries or is it rechargeable or how does that work? Looks like a pretty good one though.
I just so happen to have, Steve.
Oh.
Boom. Wanna slap
Do you have D batteries?
I do have the battery.
Yeah. 3 D batteries.
This says this is 1,000 lumen.
Okay.
And if you guys stick around, we are doing a flashlight review at some point to understand exactly what a lumen is, because some of these are claiming 1,000,000 lumens, 900,000 lumens.
And that is just not true. This might be a good lantern to hang over there in the technology tent. If it puts out some good light, you know?
Yeah. Or by the bar.
Or by the bar, yeah. Oh. Oh, man, that's pretty bright.
That'll be a good, yeah, it could be in the
And look,
tent.
it's got a little handle on it too. Flip that handle up. No, from the bottom.
Oh, right here.
Yeah,
wow.
there you go. Look at it. Yeah, look at it. Jeez, man, that thing's bright. I can't even look at it.
I feel like in ancient Europe. or-
Yeah, right.
That's awesome. Oh,
Oh, that's more of a warmer light.
what's up?
That's
Look at that.
cool. Yeah. All lights have to have a flasher, man, for when you
That's
go to
awesome.
the rave and everything. Yes, that is definitely awesome. That will definitely get used a lot.
Yeah.
Cool.
See how this looks over here.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
We'll find a place to hang it.
That's
Trust
awesome.
me. Yeah. It says LE lighting ever.
Okay, so the LE Lighting Ever 1,000 lumen lantern. This is awesome. Thanks. So this was
6.
night 6
Night 6.
of 12 nights of Beastmode
Christmas camping.
Christmas camping. Stay tuned for more. Please like, subscribe.
That's right. And we're gonna see you on night 7.
night 7.
That's right.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
That's awesome.
Yeah. I was just bitching about needing more light.